फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ़ यू। मेरा नाम राम है। इस वीडियो में आपके लिए कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन डिस्कशन करने वाला हूँ। ये क्वेश्चन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम। सो आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, इंडिया वोन्स विच मेडल्स एट एशियन चैम्पियनशिप ट्रॉफी इन 2021। हाल ही में इंडिया चैम्पियन ट्रॉफी एशियन चैम्पियन ट्रॉफी में ब्रॉन्ज मेडल जीता है। आंसर इज ब्रॉन्ज। नेक्स्ट वन, who has won the BCC Sports Personality of the Year 2021 award? So answer for this question is Emma Raducanu. Emma Raducanu is the answer. Next one, who has been appointed as the BWF Athlete Commission member? So answer is PV Sindhu. PV Sindhu appointed as a Badminton World Federation Championship. Next one, who is the top ranked India in latest ICC Test Badminton ranking? So answer is Rohit Sharma. So Rohit Sharma is the ICC top 5th player. So next one, which small finance bank has become the banking partner with Maharashtra state government? So answer is Equitas SFB. Next one, which state government has declared the Krishna Balram Jagannatha Ratha Yatra state festival? So answer is Punjab state. Next one, which state or UT has declared the Sunday as holiday, ends Friday is the holiday system? So answer is Lakshadweep. Next one, who will be the CEO of new company after the merging of Spain and Jill? So अभी सोनी प्लस जी ये दोनों मर्ज कंबाइंड हो गए। इसका CEO पुनीत गोइका। सो आंसर इज पुनीत गोइका। नेक्स्ट वन, who has been appointed as the new director National Crime Record Bureau NCRB? So answer is Vivek Goiga. Next one, who has authored the book India Ancient Legacy of Wellness? So answer is Dr. Rekha Chaudhary. Next one, who has taken over as a flag officer commanding of Karnataka Naval Area? So answer is Atul Anand. Next one, who has taken over a fleet commander of Eastern Fleet? So answer is Sanjay Balla. Next one, India has appointed Paradeep Kumar Rawat a new ambassador of which country? So he is appointed by China. Answer is China. Next one, which state government has started a new inaugurated command of control center under the smart city project? So the state is Haryana. Next one, India's biggest drone shown has been originated in which state? So answer is Lucknow. Next one, which state government will launch free smartphone Yojana? So answer is UP government, Uttar Pradesh. Next one, 7 new internet nodes has been launched in which state? So answer is again UP, Uttar Pradesh. Next one. Who has been appointed as the MD and CEO of BrahMos Aerospace? So answer is Atul Dinkar Rane. Next one. Which IIT bagged first position among the most innovative institute by CII? So answer IIT Roorkee. Next one. Which state government has announced reservation in police transgender? So abhi police transgender reservation is Karnataka. Answer is Karnataka state. Next one. Which state has lowered the drinking age of 21 years? So answer is Haryana. Next one. As per WADA report, what is the rank as a violating anti-doping rules? So India का rank third में है. Next one. Where has been successfully tested surface to surface guided ballistic missile Parley? So answer is Odisha state. Next one. Who has been appointed as the chief de mission of Indian contingent for Beijing Olympics? Answer is Harjinder Singh. Next one. Which state has topped the list with the highest number of Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana? So PMJDY account. So answer for this question is UP, Uttar Pradesh. Next one. Commissioner of which state police has launched a program of Abhay? So Abhay program is launched by Delhi government. Next one. Who has won UN Women's Award for Leadership of Committee in 2021? So answer is Divya Hegde. Next one. In which bank has graded the top spot overall digital transaction for FY 2021? So answer is Bank of Baroda for digital transaction. Next one. Which airport has won the National Emergency Conservation Award in 2021? So answer is Hyderabad Airport. Next one. As per report, which industry is India's most visible corporate in media? So the industry is Reliance Industry. So thank you friends, thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Have a nice day.